Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Goa has always shared a unique historical and cultural connection with Italy and Europe, rooted in openness, enterprise and dialogue. This award, to me, symbolizes this enduring relationship. Any contribution I may have made has been possible only because of teamwork. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my own family for their unwavering support and understanding. I am also honored by the presence of Mr. Sripad Naik, the Union Minister, for his presence and for all the support that we have received. Gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, who could not be here today. He has also gone out of the way to accommodate the various requests that we made. Once again, I thank the Italian Republic, the Embassy of Italy in Delhi, the Consulate General of Italy in Mumbai.
We are giving for the first time to a person from Goa this special award from the President of the Republic of Italy, Mr. Sergio Mattarella, that has decided to award Shrinivas Dempo with the Order of the Star of Italy, appointing him Knight. We have managed to solve many situations, even complicated ones, and I have always appreciated the spirit of cooperation and the positive attitude that Shrinivas has always given in facing even difficult situations.